Starting with numerical number 1. Calculate number of mole, molecule and atoms in 32 gram of methane. First, write down given mass of methane. Mass of methane is given is 32 gram. Okay. Now, first see, when you solving any type of numerical, first see the given weight is in the gram, kilogram or milligram. Okay. Now, how I calculate molecular mass of methane? आता मी molecular mass of methane calculate करतो. कसं calculate करणार मी? Carbon 12, hydrogen 1 into 4 is equal to 16. So 16 gram is the molecular mass of methane. So from mass of methane and molecular mass of methane, what is my step number 1? To calculate number of moles, that is N. Number of mole is equal to mass of methane upon molecular mass of methane. Mass of methane is 32 gram upon molecular mass of methane is 16. So N is equal to 2 mole. Okay, once you got a number of mole, you can easily calculate number of molecules. What is the formula of number of molecule? Number of molecules is equal to N into Avogadro's number. N किती आलाय 2. 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It is a 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecules. Once I got a number of molecule, then calculate number of atoms. How I calculate number of atoms? Number of atoms is equal to atomicity into number of molecule. Number of molecule I am getting here. What is the term atomicity? Atomicity of a methane. Methane ची atomicity किती आहे 5. Methane contain 5. Atomicity is 5. So 5 into 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 molecule. So total number of atoms is 60.2 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. That is, I can write like this: 6.022 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. Then finally I write answer like this. Make a 1 square bracket. First, number of mole, 2 mole. Molecules 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of methane, and atoms 6.022 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. Right? Okay. So write down. Numerical number 2. Calculate the mass of one oxygen atom and one oxygen molecule in gram and kilogram. Okay, how I find out mass of one atom? So according to mole concept, 1 mole is equal to atomic mass or molar mass. Okay, so 1 oxygen is 16 gram, right? So according to mole concept, 16 gram oxygen contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 oxygen atom. Fine. But if you want to find out mass of one oxygen atom, then mass of one oxygen atom is equal to, see here, 16 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. If you calculate it, you will get the answer 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Calculate करा. Sorry. Fine. Now convert it into the kilogram. So it is 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 23 upon gram is converted into kilogram, dividing by 1000. 1000 means 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 वरती जातील. So 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 26 kilogram. So this is the mass of one oxygen atom. So mass of one oxygen atom is 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 26 kilogram. Now to find out what is my second target, to find out mass of oxygen molecule. Now my one oxygen molecule contain two oxygen atom. One oxygen molecule contain two oxygen atom. So 2 into mass of one oxygen atom. So it is 2 into kilogram मध्ये घेऊया 2.65 into 10 raised to minus 26 kilogram. So it is 5.30 into 10 raised to minus 26 kilogram is the mass of oxygen molecule, and in the gram it is 5.30 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. Fine? Okay? Write down. Starting with third numerical. Calculate number of mole and molecule present in 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 kilogram of CO2 and 5.6 decimeter cube of ammonia. Starting with the first, number 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 kilogram of CO2. So this is the given mass of CO2 in kilogram. Now first calculate molar mass. Molar mass of CO2. So molar mass of CO2 12 plus 34 is equal to 44, which is in the gram. Now converted into kilogram, 44 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. I can write like this, 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 kilogram. Fine? Okay. Now first calculate number of moles. Number of mole is equal to mass of CO2 upon molar mass of CO2. Molar mass of CO2. Mass of CO2 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4. Molar mass of CO2 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 2. हे minus 2 वरती जाऊ द्या. 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to 2 upon 4.4. So N is equal to 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 1 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. So for this, N is equal to number of mole is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. 0, 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. This is the number of moles of CO. Now calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules is equal to N into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So it is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It is equal to 2.5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. So calculate करा था. Fast calculate it. It become 1.505 into 10 raised to 21 CO2 molecule. That's it. Fine. Okay. Now calculate for second. .6 decimeter cube ammonia. Now in this example they giving us a volume. What they gives? Volume. Now from volume I first calculate number of moles. N is equal to volume of ammonia in a decimeter cube upon 22.4. So N is equal to 5.6 upon 22.4. How much it is? It is 0.25 mole. So N is equal to 0.25. Now from this calculate number of molecules. So number of molecules of ammonia equal to N into Avogadro's number. N कितना है 0.25 इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10⁻20. ये 0.65 मतलब 1/4. 1/4 से अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते तो ये कितना आ जाता है 1.505 इंटू 10⁻23 ammonia molecule. That's it. So this is a very simple to calculate number of molecules. Write down properly. Starting with numerical number 4. Calculate number of mole and molecules of sulfur dioxide obtained by combustion of 6.4 into 10⁻² kilogram of sulfur. Okay. Now in this given numerical, the first word is combustion. What is the meaning of combustion? Combustion का मतलब होता है burning of a substance in a presence of air. That is called as a combustion. Now burning of substance in presence of air, that means from air oxygen is combined with that particular element or atoms. Fine? Okay. Then if you want to solve this type of numerical, first write balanced chemical equation for combustion of sulfur. So this is sulfur. Yes, chemically combined with oxygen, it forms SO2. First see, check whether the equation is balanced or not. This is the balanced chemical equation. So from this chemical equation we are concluding that. आता या chemical equation वरून माझ्या काय लक्षात येते? When 1 mole of sulfur chemically combined with 1 mole of oxygen gives 1 mole of sulfur dioxide. I know from mole concept. Mole concept वरून माझ्या लक्षात आले की 1 mole sulfur means how many gram? 32 gram. 1 mole oxygen means how many gram? 32 gram. And 1 molar sulfur dioxide means how many? 64 gram. Fine. That means from this reaction we are concluding that when 32 gram of sulfur burn in air gives 64 gram of sulfur dioxide. Okay. Then आता मला sulfur किती दिले? 6.4 into 10⁻² kilogram. So first make a relation from this equation. So from this equation 32 into 10⁻³ kilogram of sulfur gives 64 into 10⁻³ kilogram of SO. Fine? Okay. Then what is my given weight of sulfur? Then very simple, 6.4 into 10⁻² kilogram of sulfur gives X kilogram of SO2. So calculate X now. How you calculate X? X is equal to X kilogram of sulfur dioxide is equal to, it is 64 into 10⁻³ into 6.4 into 10⁻² upon 32 into 10⁻³. Okay, Now minus 3 get cancelled. 32, 1, 2. So X kilogram of SO2 is formed is 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 kilogram of SO2 is formed. Now this is the weight of SO2 formed. Now find out mole and molecules of sulfur dioxide. So this is the weight of sulfur dioxide. Calculate number of mole of SO2. Number of mole of SO2 is equal to mass of SO2 upon molar mass of SO2. Mass of SO2 which is obtained 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon molar mass of SO2 is a 64 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now 10 raised to minus 3 इसको ऊपर ले लो. So it is a 12.8 into 10 raised to 1. So simply when I calculate it, I got number of mole of SO2 is equal to 128 upon 64 is equal to 2. So number of mole of SO2 is equal to 2. Then calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules. Number of SO2 molecules is equal to n into Avogadro's number. n कितना है 2 into Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So number of SO2 molecule is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. So finally I write the answer here. Number of mole of SO2 formed is 2 and number of molecules is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. Let's solve. Write down properly.